So you want to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. So obviously, being logged into Google Classroom, you're going to go to your class, and under classwork, a couple ways you could see it. You may see it upcoming here. It may be on this list, but if it's not, if it's something, maybe it's a past assignment or you're ahead of the game, I'm going to go find the assignment. Let's say I want to submit worksheet number 1 from Unit 5. I can click on that, and you can view the assignment. And now you get the worksheet, and this one actually has an answer key to it. But if you need to upload some files, you just click Add or Create, and you can submit from your Google Drive. Maybe it's a link to somewhere online. Maybe it's a file from your own personal computer. You can upload that. Whatever you upload there, you could list one file. You could list multiple files. It doesn't matter. And then you hit Turn In, and then you're done. Hope that helps. Have a great day.